Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola One 5G, and today I will show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you want to open up the Contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version, which is located under the Google folder or just by swiping up. See it right here. And in here, you're going to tap on the three bars on the side. There we go. And we're going to navigate into the settings, and at the bottom you'll find import option, so select it. I'm going to choose SIM, and this will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now as you can see, some of them are deselected and grayed out, and I cannot enable them because they already exist on my device in the contacts list. So the phone is just stopping me from creating duplicate contacts. But the two supposedly are not on my phone. Yes, they are. So it's allowing me to actually import them. I can also deselect them if I don't want to, and from there all I need to do is select import. This will select or import selected contacts, which you can then find in your contacts list right over here. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.